Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to see factorization of an algebraic expression. So the first method we are going to see is by taking out common factors. So what we are going to do exactly is, if we have an expression which contains a common factor in each term, divide each term by the common factors and write the quotient in the bracket and the common factor outside the bracket. So I have your first example. So we can see there is a common factor in this whole term, and that is 5 here. So we will write the common factor, that is 5, outside the bracket, and the quotient will be x plus 5 into 4 makes 20, so it will be 4y. So the factors will be 5 and x plus 4y. Now the next example here is x raised to 5 minus 2x cube plus 4x square. So in this whole expression we have x as a common factor, so we can take out x as a common factor. So x raised to 2 will be a common factor in this whole term, so it will be like x square in bracket x raised to 3 minus 2x plus 4. So the factors will be x square in bracket x cube minus 2x plus 4. Now the next example is 3a raised to 4 minus 9a cube. So here in this term we have 3a cube. We can take it as a common factor, and the quotient will be a minus 3. So the factors will be 3a cube and a minus 3. So what we have done in this method is we have taken out the common factor in the whole term, and we have written the common factor outside the bracket, and we have written the quotient obtained in the bracket. So now the second method will be by grouping method. So I have here examples. What we are going to do in this method is, in the method the expression is rearranged in the groups such that each group contains a common factor. So we are going to arrange the groups such that each group contains a common factor. So I have here example. So let's solve it. That is equals to C. Here ax and bx can be rearranged together so they can contain the common factor, that is x. So it will be ax plus bx plus ay plus by. So here x will be common and here y will be common. So we can take x in bracket a plus b plus y in bracket a plus b, and again we can solve it for like a plus b in first bracket and x plus y. So the common factors will be, a plus b and x plus y. Now I have the second example. So that is equals to, now see, x cube minus 3x square we can term or we can arrange it together. So it will be x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 3. Now here x square can be the common factor in bracket x minus 3 plus 1 in bracket x minus 3. So that is equals to x minus 3 in first bracket and x square plus 1 in second bracket. So the factors will be x minus 3 and x square plus 1. The next method we are going to see is factors of difference of 2 square. So we all know that a plus b and a minus b is the product of a square minus b square. Therefore, a plus b and a minus b are the factors of a square minus b square. So, we will solve the examples which will show how to factorize factors of difference of 2 square. So, I have first example here. So, we know that here the example is 4p square minus 9q square. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to term like 2p square minus 9 square root is 3q bracket square. So that will be 2p plus 3q and 2p minus 3q. Now the second example, so here we can take 2 as common and we can write 25x cube minus 4x. So here x can also be the common factor, so we can also take x out, so it will be 2x into 25x square minus 4. Now we already know that the square root of 25 is 5x and 2 square. 5x square and 2x square. So it can be written as 2x in bracket 5x plus 2 and in another bracket 5x minus 2. So that will be 2x 5x plus 2 and 5x minus 2. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.